good morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you may be. Welcome to Crypto Chronicles Daily, where we bring you the latest news and analysis from the world of cryptocurrency. We're here to help you stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in the crypto space. Before we get started, I want to remind you that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So without further ado, let's dive into today's show. Congressmen from California and Massachusetts ask IRS to get control of crypto tax evaders, by Delisted. Two U.S. Congressmen, Brad Sherman and Stephen Lynch, have written a letter to Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen and IRS Commissioner Daniel Werfel, calling on them to speed up the promulgation of tax-related reporting requirements for digital assets. The congressmen argue that the cryptocurrency industry has been a major source of tax evasion and a significant part of the nation's tax gap. They cite a September 2020 Treasury Inspector General report that said the IRS cannot easily identify taxpayers with virtual currency transactions because of the lack of third-party information reporting that specifically identifies virtual currency transactions. The congressman urged the IRS to release the proposed regulations as soon as possible so that the cryptocurrency industry can be brought into full tax compliance. The Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act of 2022 required cryptocurrency companies to start tracking and reporting customers' transactions to the IRS for tax reporting purposes. The Treasury Department announced in December 2022 that the reporting requirement will not go into effect for the crypto firms until the department issues regulations for the reporting. The congressmen argue that transaction reporting from crypto firms will go a long way to bring the industry into tax compliance. $60 billion in ETH held by massive Ethereum whales, shattering all-time high according to Sentiment. An article written by Delisted. Large Ethereum whales have been accumulating ETH throughout 2023. The 10 largest non-exchange Ethereum addresses currently hold an all-time high of 31.8 million ETH, worth more than $59.6 billion. Crypto prices crashed on Monday after the SEC sued Binance and Coinbase. The SEC alleges that Binance and Coinbase violated investor protection and securities laws. Despite the SEC lawsuits, crypto prices began to recover on Tuesday. The overall crypto market cap is up 3% in the past 24 hours. Cathie Wood's ARK scoops up $21 million in Coinbase stock as SEC suit drives sell-off, by Emily Berry of MarketWatch. Cathie Wood's ARK investment bought more than $21 million worth of Coinbase stock on Tuesday. The purchases came amid a regulatory-fueled sell-off in the cryptocurrency exchange's stock. The SEC sued Coinbase on Tuesday, alleging that the company operated an unregistered national securities exchange and ran its crypto staking service without proper registration. ARK's purchases suggest that Wood and others at the investment entity see Coinbase's 20% plunge over the prior 2 trading days as overdone. However, other analysts are more cautious, noting that the SEC lawsuit is broad-based and could have a significant impact on Coinbase's business. The SEC lawsuit is the latest in a series of regulatory challenges facing the cryptocurrency industry. In recent months, the SEC has also sued cryptocurrency lending platform Celsius Network and cryptocurrency exchange Kraken. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse, FTX real reason behind SEC lawsuits. Brad Garlinghouse, the Ripple chief executive officer, questioned the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, about 2 crypto lawsuits, according to Anvesh Reddy of CoinGate. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse has criticized the SEC for suing 2 of the world's top cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance and Coinbase. Garlinghouse believes that the SEC is throwing lawsuits at the wall in an attempt to distract from its failure to catch hold of the discrepancies in the financial condition of FTX exchange, prior to its collapse in November 2022. Garlinghouse also criticized SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. saying that he is an unelected bureaucrat who is flailing in an attempt to mask the fact that the SEC does not have the power to regulate cryptocurrencies. The Hinman documents, which are expected to be made public in the next week, are likely to shed more light on the SEC's case against Ripple. These documents are a series of emails and speeches that were sent or given by former SEC official William Hinman and are expected to shed more light on the SEC's views on cryptocurrencies and whether or not they are securities. U.S. Senators aim at SEC, called for crypto regulatory clarity amid Coinbase lawsuit. An article penned by Mutuma Maxwell of Cryptopolitan. Senators Cynthia Lummis and Bill Hagerty have criticized the SEC for its lawsuit against Coinbase. The senators argue that the SEC's regulation by enforcement approach lacks clarity and fails to provide a favorable regulatory environment for digital asset exchanges. Senator Hagerty accuses the SEC of weaponizing its role and criticizes its refusal to allow Coinbase to register despite approving its public listing. The senators believe that the SEC's approach harms consumers and stifles innovation in the crypto industry. The senators have called for the passage of the Lummis-Gillibrand Responsible Financial Innovation Act, which aims to provide regulatory clarity for the emerging crypto space. The criticism from Senators Lummis and Hagerty highlights a growing divide between regulators and lawmakers regarding the approach to cryptocurrency regulation. It remains to be seen how Congress and the SEC will address these concerns and work towards creating a regulatory framework that balances consumer protection and fostering innovation in the rapidly evolving world of digital assets. U.S. Court gives SEC 1 week to respond to Coinbase rulemaking petition. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit has given the SEC 7 days to clarify its position on a rulemaking petition from Coinbase, by Nivesh Rustgi of Decrypt. Coinbase filed a public petition to the SEC in July 2022 asking the Commission to clarify its rules on which assets should be regarded as securities and how to regulate digitally native securities. In April 2023, after the SEC issued a Wells notice to the exchange warning that the company's staking products constituted unregistered securities, the exchange responded by filing an Administrative Procedure Act challenge in a bid to force the Commission to respond to its petition. The court order comes amid a ramping up of the legal battle between the SEC and Coinbase. On Tuesday, the United States Securities Exchange Commission, SEC, charged Coinbase for violating license rules and offering unregistered securities via its staking service. The SEC could not be proceeding with litigation against Coinbase without already deciding to deny the petition for rulemaking. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong last week urged lawmakers to clarify their stance on crypto, arguing that failing to do so would drive innovation away from the U.S. The SEC is expected to respond to the court order within the next 7 days. If the SEC denies Coinbase's petition, the exchange could appeal the decision to the Supreme Court. Cardano Foundation disagrees with U.S. SEC. Robinhood may delist ADA, posted on CoinGape written by Sunil Sharma. The SEC has classified several prominent cryptocurrencies, including Cardano, Solana, and Polygon, as securities. The Cardano Foundation and other industry players have disagreed with this classification, emphasizing the need for regulatory clarity in the industry. The SEC has also filed lawsuits against leading crypto exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase, alleging that they offered digital assets without proper registration as securities. As a result of these lawsuits, there is a possibility that Cardano, Solana, and Polygon could be delisted from the Robinhood trading platform. The crypto industry is grappling with regulatory challenges, and achieving clarity and certainty in regulations remains crucial. Both industry players and regulatory bodies must engage in ongoing discussions to balance innovation and compliance. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe to Crypto Chronicles Daily channel for more cryptocurrency news and analysis. Remember, not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or project. Until next time, happy trading.